In the 19th century, the East India Company, a powerful British trading organization, found itself embroiled in a conflict that would alter the course of history, the Opium Wars. The wars were the result of a lucrative trade in opium, a highly addictive substance, between the British and Chinese. The East India Company, seeking to expand its economic influence, began flooding China with opium, leading to widespread addiction and social unrest. The Chinese government, under the ruling Qing dynasty, viewed the opium trade as detrimental to their society and attempted to halt it through a series of edicts. However, the East India Company, driven by greed, refused to comply. In 1839, Lin Zexu, a Chinese official, was sent to Canton to enforce the ban on opium. He seized and destroyed over 20,000 chests of opium, a decisive act that enraged the British. The British, led by Lord Napier, retaliated with military force. The First Opium War, 1840 to 1842, ended with the Treaty of Nanking, which ceded Hong Kong to the British and opened several Chinese ports to trade, including Shanghai and Guangzhou. The Second Opium War, 1856 to 1860, followed, sparked by the British indignation over the perceived Chinese interference in foreign trade. The Treaty of Tientsin, signed in 1860, further expanded British territorial gains, including the acquisition of more ports and the right to travel freely throughout China. The Opium Wars, despite their name, were not solely about opium. They were a manifestation of imperialist ambitions, a struggle for power and resources, and a dark chapter in the history of Sino-British relations. The wars marked the beginning of the unequal treaties era, a period of exploitation and humiliation for China at the hands of foreign powers. Yet, the Opium Wars also highlighted the resilience of the Chinese people and their desire for self-determination. The wars served as a catalyst for reform, leading to the Taiping Rebellion, the self-strengthening movement, and eventually, the downfall of the Qing dynasty. Thus, the Opium Wars, while a tragic part of history, were instrumental in shaping the modern world, setting the stage for the rise of Western imperialism and the challenges China would face in the 20th century. The echoes of these wars can still be felt today, reminding us of the complex and often tumultuous history that binds China and the West.